Okay, guys, come on along on this flight. We got a good one for you today. We are out at a little town called Irvine at a chainsaw wood carver. Her name is Marina Cole. She's from Medicine Hat, but she has a little business out here at Irvine, which is right on the highway. And let's take a look at some of the logs she's got set up here for the next carvings coming up. There's a lot of them. My goodness. And then we'll take a flight around the front of the building and we'll have a look at that. All right, we're coming up to the front of the building. This fence wasn't here the first time I was out here. So she must have added that since. But let's have a look at some of her carvings. My goodness, are they ever good? Have a look at this, guys. And have a look at these here wall mounts here. Look at that. Look at the bear and the wolf. My goodness. Such great work. Holy smokes. All right, guys. Hey, if you're ever in the area near Medicine Hat, a little town called Irvine, just a few miles out, right on Highway 1. Beautiful little place. Her name is Marina Cole, chainsaw carver. Beautiful work. All right, guys. thank each and every one of you for coming out and have a look at my videos. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. Ring the bell so you can be notified the next time I put one out. And if you like what you saw, give her the thumbs up, guys. As usual, I want you all to stay awesome, my friends. And we'll catch you all on my next one.